Yeah, as you can see, I'm making a video on my fireworks. I went to Crazy Kaplan's. They're real good. I had a buy one get two free sale, and I got artillery shells, crackling artillery. They're kind of good. As you can see, I got four. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got some really huge rockets. I don't know what they're. I never seen them before. Pound rockets, $36.99. As you can see, I got 3. I got some sparklers, smiley face sparklers. I never seen them before. I got Saturn missiles, 100 shot. I got 3 of those. See? My brother picked these out. He has crazy rockets. I got 3 of those. I got crazy crackers, a whole brick, and got 3 of those. I got jumping jacks, 3 of those too. Well, basically I got everything at 3. 500, bro. Never seen these before. They're made by Black Cat. Neon sparklers. Some little poppets. As you can see, they're good. Some leftover from the last 4th of July. The crazy one. Crazy eyeballs. Pretty cool. And another one of these crazy rockets. Now these Black Cat rockets are really big. I'm gonna show you one. Hold up. See? Real thick wood. Real thick. What's it called? Missile. Almost a missile rocket. Really, really, really big. I hope these are gonna be cool. Well, that's about it. My fireworks for 2012. Say bye.
Bye.